Google just released an amazing image tool that I'm excited to show you how it works in today's video. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Rock a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. You can access this tool via gemini.google.com stroke app, like you can see over here. And once you're done signing up, it's going to bring you over here. So this tool is completely free of charge as of now. And like you can see up here, we have banana new try image editing with our best image model Nano Banana. So this tool is known as Nano Banana, and all you have to do is to click on this option over here that says create images. You can see it will change the settings to image, and you can confirm that by checking the color of this. Like before it was white, now it's turned to images. Okay, so up here it says ask Gemini. So we are going to be inputting our prompts, and to do that, like the video title suggested, we are working with product photos. So all that we are going to do is to use ChatGPT. You can use any of your favorite chatbot. In particular, I like using ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is to give ChatGPT a prompt that asks for different product image prompts that we can use. Okay, and this is exactly what our prompt says. I am using the new Google Gemini image tool, Nano Banana, to generate images. Give me 5 product photo image idea prompts to use. Make them very unique with perfect visuals for different products. So let's click on this option and we see what results ChatGPT is going to come up with as it generates our ideas. If you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Now, like you can see, we have our 5 beautiful ideas. So the first one says luxury watch on floating ice. So it goes ahead to give us the detail of the prompt. So it says a luxury silver wristwatch with a black leather strap displayed on a perfectly clear block of floating ice in a crystal blue water pool. Ultra high detail, sharp reflections, cinematic studio lighting, hyper realistic product photography. So we will not be going through all these prompts. I just wanted to go through the first one so that I show you the results that ChatGPT has been able to give us. This looks really amazing, and all you have to do is to copy this prompt over here. Okay, highlight everything, click on copy. Then you're going to go to Gemini and you'll paste it over here like you can see. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and click on this option of submit, sit and wait until Gemini gives us the product details or the final result of our image. Guys, this is our first result, and I really think that Gemini did an amazing job. I really like the details of this. Everything looks perfectly well. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. I love it so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the second prompt and we see what results we are going to get. So the second prompt is about minimalist perfume bottle with smoke art. Let's copy this as well to see how it's going to turn out like. So I'm going to head over to Gemini and just paste it over here. Okay, just like this. Let's click on submit and we see what that turns out like. Our second image is gorgeous as well. I think it's really pretty. Everything came out really well. But let's challenge this tool to see if it can give us changes if we prompt them. So let's go ahead and ask it to make the bottle a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to type, can you make the bottle a little bit, can you make the bottle bigger? Okay, I'm just going to leave that as it is. So let's send the prompt and we see if it can make changes to that. Okay, these are the results of the second image. It tried to make the bottle a little bit bigger, but like you can see, it's still small. However, there is simple changes. You see, the first one is way too small, and this is slightly bigger than the first one. So it tried, okay? Let's go ahead and try the third image prompt. And then to this, I want to challenge the AI tool with changing the aspect ratio, okay? So let's see if it can do something like a 16 to 9, okay? So this is a tech gadget in futuristic neon world. So let's copy that and then we come back here, we paste it over here, okay? At the end of this prompt, I'm going to add make the image with an aspect ratio of 16 to 9. Okay, so let me fix the spelling of ratio. The C is not supposed to be there, sorry. Then we click on submit to see what results we are going to get. I think it doesn't have the possibility yet to change the ratios. Like you can see, we are still working with the same size. Now I want us to challenge it for our next prompt to see if it can change or remove the background to a different one, okay? Or it can change the background colors, something of a sort. So let's go with this one. It's organic skincare with nature contrast. So let's copy this, okay? Just like this, and then we go back to Gemini, paste it over here. We are going to first let it create the image, then we will command it to change the color maybe to something different. Let's first wait to see the results it's going to give us. These are the results, and it says nature face cream. This turned out really great, and if we expand on the image, like you can see, still it looks very very clear. Okay, so let's challenge it to see if it will add some it will change the background or add some few details. Our prompt for the changes we want says change the image background to a pink studio concept. Let's click on submit and we see what results it's going to generate for us this time around. Okay, like you can see, it was able to do that for us and everything turned out really, really great. Let's try our last prompt and we see the results we are going to get with this. And for this, I'll be challenging the tool to do something different. I'll try to change the concept and I see what its capabilities is. Okay, I think the sneakers turned out great. The entire image has good visuals to it, but I want to change the concept, like I said. So I want to command this tool to add maybe like a hand holding the sneakers. Voila, these are the results. I really think this is cool. What do you guys think? You can let me know in the comment section down below. With all that being said, guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.